So we're going to try and make a melody at the max tempo. Sorry if I look tired. I just watched the FA Cup last night. So I'm just going to go for something like simple, a bell in Xenology or something. So we're going bell 15. I feel like if I stretch it out, it's going to be easier. Because that's the thing, like music is just based on time. So if we can just stretch it out, the like essentially 1000 BPM will be like slower, if that makes sense. Might layer it with like a pad or something. I'm just going to keep layering instruments until I find something that I like. And then, well, I look so tired. And then basically from there, I like to just kind of deconstruct the melody, like take things away, and then maybe like use them for like a B section. Thanks for watching. I'll put this project file up on my Patreon if you want to like download it for whatever reason, or even just like make something with it and send it to me, because I'm kind of curious what drums would sound like at 999 BPM. So let me know if you can come up with something.